The Nova A/B Test Analyzer is a comprehensive statistical calculator designed for marketers, product managers, and developers to validate A/B testing results with confidence. This tool operates entirely within your browser, ensuring your data remains 100% private and secure. How it works: step by step, input your data. You can add test variants in two ways: manually, enter the variant name, the number of visitors, users, and the number of conversions for each version. CSV Import, upload a simple CSV file with the columns variant, visitors, conversions for bulk data entry. Analyze the results. The tool instantly processes the data and displays a detailed results table showing conversion rate, CR, the percentage of users who converted for each variant. Uplift versus control, the percentage improvement of each variant compared to the first variant. Control. 95% confidence interval, CI, the range in which the true conversion rate likely lies. P-value, a measure of statistical significance to determine if the results are due to the changes made or just random chance. Visualize performance, a dynamic bar chart visualizes the conversion rate of each variant, including error whiskers that represent the confidence interval, allowing for quick and easy comparison. Manage and export, you can save your entire test session locally in your browser to resume later, delete specific variants from the results, and export the final data table to a CSV file for reporting.